Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be another shoe unboxing, which I've done one, I can't remember when I did the last one, but it hasn't been too long ago. First off, excuse my voice. I'm getting a cold / got a cold. It's starting to come out now. I'm not coughing or anything, but I have had a few sneezes. I'm quite warm, but that's because I've just rushed up and down the stairs, potentially. And yeah, I'm feeling a bit achy and all of that, so excuse that. I'm not normally this like congested sounded, although I don't feel like I'm that congested. I don't know. Yeah, I need more sleep as well. But if you're not already, please take a moment to subscribe if you are new, because my name is Matt and welcome to my channel. That's my normal intro. Take a moment to subscribe. It's free. There's no cost to you for doing so. Just click that button down below and ring my bell to be notified when I upload, which I might have to do now 2 times a week. Take it down from it was 4 and 3, now 2, because I just don't have the time at the moment with work and everything. Should we pull this down a bit? Maybe. With everything that's happening. Also, this jumper is from Tesco's, which was before Christmas, but I think they might have it on sale now. So just a hint, it says Nevada in grey. It's nice, but I bought it full price, which was like 20. But yes, so I might have it for 10 now. But anyway, that is by the by. Today's video is going to be a shoe unboxing because I did an Asos order. The 2 other things are just some plain white shirts because I got a gift card for Christmas, and Mum gave me a gift card to use for white shirts, and that is what I picked. Some white shirts, but then it didn't, because the shirts were on sale. I needed something else to make up the gift card money. So I picked up some more trainers from the Puma variety. This is not the box, because the box is this. I've got now 3 pairs of Pumas, all the same style and everything. I might compare them to this one, but both of the other 2 came in a box, a Puma box, but I believe this is just like I'm just going to swap it over. This is just like an Asos box or something. Where is the front? Well, front-ish. So here we go. I have sneak peek to look at these / try them on already, because these are the Puma CA Pro trainers in off-white with grey detailing. I got these ones in a 6.5. I am a 6, but you know, some shoes like New Balance, I'm 6.5. And I think I could have probably took a 7 in these UK sizes, because these ones, which are the ones I bought last time, oh, there's like is that a shoe measuring thing on the back? Potentially. These ones which I got last time, those ones are in a 6 and they fit, they're fine, although I would like a bit more room in them, which is why I got these in 6.5, which I'll just show you now. I will just, you know, properly take them out the box. I just knocked you. Here you go. These ones look very retro, which I love. They're very bit 90s with like, it's like an off-white colour, and that is like grey, but a bit more off-white, and then the bottoms are grey. These are so nice. Love these. I cannot remember the price I paid, but I bought 2 shirts, these, and it came to £42 something. So I might pop in the price here, because these were the last ones in this size, which is a 6.5. I will link it below, but there might be some other sizes still available. But yeah, I love the chunkiness of these. I'll leave the other unboxings I've done in a clickable I button as well. But yeah, I really love the retro nature of these. In fact, they're not like, they look very 90s inspired, which I love. So this is the side. This is the side that you obviously see of the shoe when you're walking along. So you've got the, I don't know the technical terms, but is this the Puma, like, I don't want to say swoosh because that is another brand. But you've got the Puma logo there. You've got this thick sole, which has Puma written in there. Sorry about the lighting, guys, as well. I mean, it's like 1 in the afternoon, but it's, I wouldn't say it's pitch black. very overcast. So that's on there. Then you've got the front of the shoe with detailing, which looks very Air Force One Nike vibes. You have then got a tab here which does say Puma. You're not going to be able to see that. It's like debossed into the black. This is the back. You've got the Puma logo there, like the Puma. And then on this side it is just like this. Now, I'll get the other shoe because I think it is on this shoe. It is. I tried these ones on, and when I opened them, I don't know if you can see, there is a small tear. Now that will not be noticeable when you're wearing them or anything, but it is a small tear that I noticed straight off the bat, and we're like, and I know you can send them back and everything like that, because it is slightly faulty, but these were the only ones left in this size, because when you put them in your basket and then when it clicked on it again, it's still out of stock because they hold them in your basket, which is one good thing Asos does do. And I try to look for, because in the past I've like messaged them on Twitter, now called X, and things when something has not been faulty, you know, like slid into their DMs and like spoke to them, but they're not on Twitter anymore, understandably. I don't think you can do it on Instagram. I'm not sure about Facebook and everything. You can't, you talk to a bot online and they just say return them, but I want to keep them. And I did get a heavy discount on them, which might be why they were really discounted. I don't know, I doubt it. But because these retail for like 80 or 75 new and they were like 30 something, so significant discount. Let me get out this is like a classic white version of the shoe, and this is the one I have picked up. So, you know, a dramatic difference. These are going to be more of a summer shoe for me. These ones, because I do not want to get them really dirty. And then these ones, I think I'm going to, I'm not going to start wearing them now because it's just not the right weather. It's winter. It is still December, but when you watch this, it'll be January. So Happy New Year. Yeah. These are more of a spring shoe, I think, because you can kind of get away with that more, whereas these are completely white on the bottom. And you can kind of tell the slight difference in sizes with this being a 6.5 and this being a 6. But yes. And these just feel a bit less stark white than these, which I do love a white trainer. I would, with the amount of these I bought, I should have probably just bought a Nike Air Force One in the end, but I like options and I just don't want them to wear out. So I haven't worn any of them yet, but I will be wearing from this year, because all of the other, I did quite want some Reebok ones that are similar to this, but I decided against them because I found these, and I did nearly buy some on Zara, which were very similar to these. If you don't watch my last video, which was the Zara Come Shop With Me, I found some really nice ones which were similar, like this colour, this like off-whitey yellowy colour, looks a bit Reeboky, but obviously I've decided against getting those because these were probably, they were like 25 to 29 pounds and these were 30 something, so I'd rather get the Puma ones, which hopefully would last more, you know, feel more comfortable. Although Zara trainers are extremely comfortable, I have to say that they are really good shoes. And I say this story a lot, but the Pull and Bear ones that I've got, I do not wear because they hurt they ache my feet as soon as they go on. So I don't know whether that's because of like the instep, is that what it's called? The in bit or something, I do not know. But yes, these are what these look like, and I'm happy with them, and I'm not going to buy any more white trainers or Puma trainers or trainers in general. He says, come back next week for a new pair. Not really, but you know, I could not pass up the price of these. These were 30 quid. This one was cheaper than these, so they've all gone down in price. I think the first ones I bought were 40, these were 30 something, and these were 30, as in £30 something. And then I got additional money off because they were doing like 20% off for Christmas. Boxing Day sales, I think it was 20, it was either 10 or 20, or 15, around that price. And then I had a gift card, so I actually only paid like £2.50 for my order. So there we go, that is my unboxing of these Puma shoes. which I do really like because I've now got 3 pairs of them. But yes, hope you guys are all well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not already, please take a moment to subscribe. It's free, no cost to you for doing so. Just click that button down below and ring my bell to be notified, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.
No, man, I still go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.